Good morning, student of class 6. I am a computer teacher Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue chapter number 4, Word Processor Mail March. Okay, Word Processor Mail March. I am going to discuss about the question answer exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see the syllabus of first term examination. I have already completed the first 3 chapter with exercise including exercise question answer. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter number 4, word processor mail march exercise question answer. Okay, so move on to the exercise question answer. Before going to the exercise question answer, we can take a quick review of the following terms. First of all, mail march. Okay, in this chapter we already know about the mail merge. Okay, so mail merge is used to send a common letter to different reception. दैट मीन्स जब मेल मार्च होता है वो क्या होता है, हम लोग एक ही लेटर को बहुत सारे लोगों के पास जब भेजना चाहते हैं तब हम लोग मेल मार्च को यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, मेल मर्ज ऑप्शन इज़ प्रेजेंट ऑन द मेलिंग टैब. दैट मीन्स जब मेल मर्ज ऑप्शन होता है वो कहाँ पे होता है, मेलिंग टैब्स में होता है. ओके, देयर आर मेन 3 स्टेज ड्यूरिंग द मेल मर्ज प्रोसेस आर creating data source, creating main document and merging the data source with the main document. That means जो mail merge होता है वो 3 process होता है. First of all you need to create a document, then you create a source, data source, then creating a main document and merging the source with the main document. Okay, two main advantages of mail merge are personalized mass communication and simplified generation of mass document. Okay, next is step by step mail merge wizard helps you to perform mail merge easily and quickly. Next is data source file stored with the extension of AMDB. Okay, this is very important. If the multiple choice question comes, what is the extension of data source in mail merge? So the answer is .amdb. Okay, .amdb. And last is you can print the merge letters. Okay, so this is the main recap of this chapter. Okay, so now move on to the question answer section. Here we can see the first is choose the correct option. This is also a multiple choice question answer. Okay, multiple choice question answer. Which of the following contains information about the recipients like a name, address and phone number in the mail merge process? We all know that the data source means name of the recipients and address and phone number. Okay, next is creating letters using mail merge involves creating letters using mail merge involves opening or creating main document, opening and creating main document and the data source and then merging the data source with the main document. Okay, so option number B is correct. So move on to next is mail merge does not allow you to create books. Okay, the mail merge does not allow to create the books. Okay, next is the extension. Here you can see the extension of the file that stores the data source of mail merge recipients in .mdb. Okay, extension with the .mdb. So option number C is correct. Next is this is not the main component of mail merge. Okay, we all know that the 3 main components is main document, data source and merge document. So merge field is not a components of mail merge. Okay, so these are the 5 MCQ following this chapter. Next is true false. Okay, true false. In mail merge the content of the letters is different for each recipient, so this statement is false. We all know that the main document is same. Okay, the main document is same. Next is the merge document is the document that contain the common text and the merge field. So this is true. Okay, merge document is the document that contains common text and the merge fields. Next is mail merge option is present in the mailing tab. This is also true. You can print envelopes through the mailing tabs. False. Change done in the main document do not affect other merge documents. False. When we change the main document, then the changes comes to the merge document also. Okay, so these are the true false for following this chapter. Next is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks also converted into the multiple choice question in the examination. Okay, so all of you should read the each and every line. Okay, because the MCQ comes from the chapter, inside the chapter, okay, inside the chapter, or from the fill in the blanks from the exercise question answer, or choose the correct answer from the exercise question answer, okay. So first is mail merge is used to creating multiple copies of letters, okay, multiple copies. So first is multiple. Next is in mail merge. In mail merge, the data source contains the name, address and phone number, okay, the data source. So number 2 is data source. Next is number 3, dash is the document that you want to send to people in the data source. So main document is the document that you send to the people in your data source. Next is data source can be reused, okay, data source can be reused. Next is any formatting done in main documents appears in the all personalization mail, okay, all personalization mail. That means these are the 5 fill in the blanks from the following chapter, okay. So our syllabus is completed, uh, and all of you need to read each and every chapter, okay, each and every chapter very carefully, each and every chapter very carefully. In my next class I will start revise from chapter number 1 or 2, okay. So all of you have to do one thing, that please read the chapter very carefully. So today I am ending my discussion here. As I told you that in my next class I will start revise from chapter number 1, okay. So till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.